from Gate 7 and I have come from Kumarins. I have been here to Giggles for the workshop of NR Institute for Brain Skills. So it was trained by Uma ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was such a wonderful workshop. So it was divided like into Saturday one and the Sunday one. So Saturday we learnt about the Kannada spellings, English as well as Hindi. It mostly had been like 3 years I had like no touch with Kannada, but just like in one day when we had parallel connection to Kannada as well as Hindi, I got a really clear picture as to what Kannada is actually. And Kannada has some tricks and turns which she taught us, and it was very helpful as well. And in Hindi I was kind of okay, not that expert, so I got it right. And we learned about the concentration levels, confidence level, and the brain skills, brain techniques and memory techniques and time management and other stuff which is really helpful for your academics. And I think now I am really confident in my academic levels. Then like in the we also learned about the English rules. So in the English rules, like after that we learned about the words, and I think difficult words of the dictionary had to be learned with its meanings. So she came out with the technique of story connection. So through stories we could connect it. So when you have a difficult word, you go with the pictorial graphs and then you go with the meanings. So I think that was the most important thing. And another thing is that all of these techniques will help you a lot in having your regular studies and textbooks. It will make it really easy to study. So I definitely recommend everybody to join this institution or any workshops conducted. Thank you.